Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome, and please subscribe. Subscription is free, you pay nothing to do that. Subscribe and turn on your post notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returnees, thank you so much for always supporting me. So in today's video, I will be missing what I will be using for my pre-poo. I will be missing some concoctions. Some concoctions that I will be using for my pre-poo. Honestly, my hair really needs attention. So I'll be using aloe vera gel. I have cut it out here. Then I will be blending it, after which I will strain out the residue. So this is oil. I am pouring oil on it. The oil that I'm using here is coconut oil and castor oil. Then I go in with my Rinse Out conditioner. I am using this Rinse Out conditioner so that it will help me to detangle my hair. So I have a hard time trying to mix this, so I later use a blender to mix the whole stuff so that it won't take the whole day while mixing it. So right now I'll be pouring in the mixture in my applicator bottle for use. So that is it. So this is my mixture. I end up having 2 bottles at the end. So I will start applying it. You can see that I have my hair has marked together, honestly, because my hair here, it has lasted about 1 month, heading to yes, almost 1 month, and I only moisturize it once a week. Then throughout the whole week, I did not, the remaining weeks, I did not do anything. First, I added my oil, my massage oil, and I massaged my hair. After that, I started applying the mixture on my hair. I concentrated more on the root of my hair to get out those matted areas so that it will soften it. So here I am. At the end of the day, the mixture did not even work very well, as in, it did not work the way I expected. I end up adding some leave out, as in I end up adding some Rinse Out conditioner to it so that it will soften my hair more. So that is what I am doing here. Honestly, I really have time preparing this hair. Honestly, if I did not prepare my hair the way I am doing, I will end up with a lot of breakage. That is the pure truth. So curly hair is very, 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 very stressful, but at the end of the day, I love the end result. So that is it. So here I'm trying to play with my hair. I love the feelings that I'm having here, because right now my hair is soft and manageable to work with. That is it. My hair is soft and manageable to work with. pre-poo did not end here. I started using my finger to detangle it. I detangle it. I keep detangling it till I get my satisfied desire. Then I use my hairpin and hold it together to hold it after separating it with my finger. So here now I am trying to choose which of the Y2 comb that I will be using for this. So this is the part that I always enjoy doing after doing, because at this point my hair is very, very soft and easy to work on. So here now I will use my Y2 comb detangle. After detangling it, I will twist my hair back, because I always wash my hair on a twist. I always wash it on a twist. The reason why, because I'm getting this question, why do I wash my hair on a twist? The reason why I wash my hair on a twist is because it helps the whole process. So if I wash my hair the way it is, honestly, it will take a longer time for me to complete my wash day. So that is it. I always prefer, and it also helps to prevent breakage as well, and to prevent breakage, that is it. So that is the reason why I always wash my hair on a twist. But believe me that after washing my hair will be as clean as as in the cloud of heaven. So that is it. So I keep detangling. This is what I always do while washing my hair. Wash day to me is not an easy stuff. I always take my time, but I always wash my hair within 2 weeks, but in this time around it takes a long time, because I have a lot of things doing and a lot of stuff going on around me. So I am trying to fix 1 or 2 things. So that is it. That is the reason why it takes a long time for me to wash, and my hair was in a bad shape like this. So that is it. I will end it here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned 1 or 2 things, especially how to detangle your hair, how to pre-poo your hair before washing your hair, please subscribe, because you will be getting more interesting content, more educative content, especially on our natural hair in this channel. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next one.